Hello everyone, it's me, Petra. Did you know the most powerful computer is inside your head? Yes, it's called the brain. Hello everyone, today I'll be continuing chapter 1 of Vital Organs. So if you have not watched that video, please go back to my channel and watch it. It's an introduction to these types of videos and there's going to be more in the future. So in my YouTube channel, I'll be using the word chapters lesson series because my videos is to help kids pursue their dreams in the medical field, such as becoming doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, or pathologists. So let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the brain. The brain has 3 important parts. Number 1 is the cerebrum. So let's say you cut the head and then you cut the skull and then you open at the brain. The first thing you see is called the cerebrum. The cerebrum is located like all on top of your brain, and the cerebrum helps you make decisions, remember, think, and so on. Number 2 is called the cerebellum. The cerebellum helps you coordinate and stay balanced. So when you walk, run, or ride a bicycle without falling, this is all because of your cerebellum. So let's say you fall down and hurt the back of your neck right here where the cerebellum is located. Most likely you will damage it, and if you do, your body will become paralyzed and you won't be able to do the things you used to do, such as walking. Number 3, brainstem. You are so busy, think about other things. Let's say your schoolwork, your job, or other different stuff. You don't have time to think about how to make sure your heart pumps or other stuff. Thanks to the brainstem, which is located at the back of your head, like underneath the cerebellum, it's really hidden, and it goes down to your spinal cord. Thanks to the brainstem, you are allowed to do. Your body does its job automatically without you thinking. So, for example, when you sleep, you don't think about swallowing, your blood pressure, or your heart to pump. We all do this. We do this on command, thanks to our brainstem. So our brainstem helps us swallow, feel pain, feel hunger, blink, and breathe. So because our brain is filled with so many things, it's making sure so many things is doing things right, and our brainstem helps us do that automatically without having to think about it. So there's another important part about the brain. So our brain has 2 liquids. Number 1, cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, and number 2, blood. So our cerebrospinal fluid is located all over our brain down to our spinal cord. Our cerebrospinal fluid, it's like a cushion, and it makes sure that, let's say an accident happened and you hurt your head, most likely you will see liquid around, like clear liquid, and this is our cerebrospinal fluid. It also, you know how we have to eat and take out waste? Well, our brain has to do that too. So our cerebrospinal fluid takes nutrients to our brain and also removes waste from our brain. And sometimes there's diseases in our brain, such as meningitis. So when the doctor wants to see symptoms of meningitis for their patients, they tell their patients to either lie down or bend their back to release their back so that they can take a needle and collect some some of the fluid as CSF, and then they send it to the lab to see for any diseases such as meningitis. So if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you. Like, comment, share, and send it to anyone who's interested in these types of videos. In the future, there will be ones about the heart and other vital organs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
A doctor inserts a needle into the lower back, aiming for the space between the bones of your spine during a spinal tap. The needle reaches the fluid surrounding your spinal cord, and a small sample is taken for testing. The needle is carefully removed and the area is bandaged. You may need to lie flat for a bit to avoid a headache, but the results can provide valuable information about your health.